What will win in a drag race between a 2006 Ford GT and a 1992 original Dodge Viper? Well, we're going to find out because I'm going to race them over the standing quarter mile. I'm Matt Watson and you're watching Carwow. Let me tell you about this Ford GT. It's got a 5.4 litre supercharged V8 that puts out 560 horsepower and 680 newton meters of torque, driving the rear wheels via a 6-speed manual gearbox. This car weighs in at 1,580 kilos, and new back in 2006 it cost £110,000. In dollars it was this much. Now today this car is worth about £500,000, which in dollars is this much. Can't do the conversions in my head. The exchange rate keeps changing. That Viper is a lot older. It's a 1992 car. That was when it went on sale. However, that is a pre-production prototype, which I have on display in the Peterson. So it was actually built in 1991. It has an 8-litre V10, naturally aspirated, driving the rear wheels via a 6-speed manual gearbox. That car puts out 400 horsepower, 630 newton meters of torque. So it's down on power and down on torque compared to this, but it is lighter because it weighs in at 1,490 kilos. Also, it's being driven by someone very talented. It's Luna, who is the marketing director for the Peterson Museum and a pretty damn good driver, as you're about to find out. Hey Luna, how are you?
I'm ready. How are you?
Yeah, I'm ready and nervous because on paper I should win, but in reality I may not.
I think you will, and I wish you all the best for this race.
Yeah, I've seen you practicing and you look pretty good, so I'm not overly confident. Now my car's worth a lot more than yours. The list price of those when they were new back in 92 was $50,000. What is that one worth today? Bearing in mind that it was a pre-production prototype.
Probably between 35 and 40. This used to be a cheap supercar.
I will give you $30,000 for that right now.
I will if you let me drive your car for this race.
Seriously, $30,000, you can drive this. You're just playing with me.
I am not, seriously.
I don't know whether I want to do this. Am I about to buy a Viper? How am I going to get it back to the UK? Stick with a car that gives you the most chance for winning, Matt. Stay focused. Now, before we race, what we're going to do is the customary Carwow sound check. So I'm going to rev this one up first. So let's have a listen to this. I'm liking this. Can you do better with your V10?
Let me give this a try.
I'm also liking the side exhaust on that. It's so cool. But how many people burn their legs on them?
I have a permanent scar that I got when I was 14 years old on one of these cars, so that's almost my birthmark as a car person. It's
like a tattoo, is it? Is that how you got the job? Did you like flash it and go, look, there's my Viper scar where it bit me?
You found out my secret. That's it.
Anyway, enough of that. Let's get into the racing now. Find out which car is quickest over the quarter mile. I wish you the best of luck, though secretly I don't. You as well. So I know what she's going to do. She's going to basically dump the clutch and spin up her wheels a little bit. I've seen her launch. She's very good at it. I'm going to be a bit more sedate. I'm going to just kind of ease it off the line, because if this starts spinning, tyres are so old. They're the original ones off the car. 2006, it's got no traction, so we shall see. That's my excuses right from the get-go.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, I'm going sideways. Come on! Oh, she did so well. Good launch, Luna. I was just spinning up my old tyres there and you absolutely had me on the launch.
I had an illusion for a little bit. It was beautiful until we got to the first cone. That's where all my dreams were broken, but it was a good run.
You showed that you had definitely more skill than me. Would you like one more go? Best 2 out of 3. You never know, I might do even worse.
I would love one more go, or 2 or 3. I can do this all day long.
So let's do that then. Right, before we run this race, Luna, I just want to check something. So I'm reading the odometer on the dash of this car and it says 452 miles.
Yes, that was actually the last car purchased by Robert Peterson, the founder of our museum, and it was his personal car. About 2 months ago, I took it to an event. The car had 200 miles, so I put 200 out of the 400 miles on the car you're driving right now.
So his personal car that he never drove.
Exact.
I'm not going to rev it so high this time. Come on, Watson.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, almost stalled it. Oh, it's closer this time. Almost stalled it. What an absolute idiot. Do you know what? When I pulled away there, I almost stalled it.
We gotta do a third run. I'm not happy with this one.
Your first run was definitely a lot better because what I did there was so embarrassing.
3, 2, 1.
Perfect start, Watson. Oh, yeah! We got this! Okay, Luna, I'm not going to lie, I don't think I'm going to get a better start than that. I hope that your start was satisfactory.
Yeah, I just need to accept my loss.
Yeah, you are, 160 horsepower down.
Also, I am 10 years older than you are.
There's absolutely no way you're 10 years older than me.
I was talking about my car, yes, not about us. It was my birthday yesterday, by the way.
I think I might be 20 years older than you.
Do you want to switch cars now?
I don't want to switch cars at all, Luna. I want to stay exactly in this car. It's very comfortable. I know what I'm doing with this car. So then what exactly happened? Well, the Ford won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 12.2 seconds. The Dodge took 12.5 seconds. Right, and now we have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. Over the half mile, we're going to do it in third gear. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, that pickup's really good on the Viper. It's close, but now this is pulling. Up first, Luna, that was so very close. The initial pickup on that Viper is extremely good, isn't it?
You can certainly feel the 2 extra cylinders. Definitely, we're very close until we weren't in the last bit, and mostly because I got scared and I lifted the foot off the gas.
Would you like to do it again now you've kind of like got your nerve?
Let's do it.
Rolling race, 50 miles an hour, third gear. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh no! Doug is pulling now. That was close at first, but once again, now at the top end, this just pulls harder. That extra 160 horsepower just shows at the top end.
Truly, I get so close and then at the last second, you're just flying.
To be fair though, I have put myself in the quicker car. I have like stacked the odds in my favour somewhat. Not gonna lie though, Luna, if you think about it, the value of that car compared to this car, there's not that much in terms of the performance, is there? That is an absolute bargain, that thing you're driving. And also the provenance of this car, who owned it? Seriously, what do you think the actual value of this would be if you were to sell it?
High 600s for sure.
And that Dodge, you'd sell it to me, you said, for $30,000. Well, I'm just going to figure out transport to the UK and how much it's going to cost me in tax and stuff. And I might be giving you a call in the next week or so.
But you need to earn this car. You can't just buy without even driving it. You and your comfortable self on my Ford GT.
All right then. I'm not going to drive it now though, Luna, because the next thing we're going to do is the brake test. And I don't think that's got ABS, has it? Okay, what speed would you like to do this brake test from? Because basically it's your life.
Probably 85, 90.
But if you're going to do 85, 90, you may as well round it up to the nice 100, which seems a bit excessive. Let's do it from 70, right? Because that's the speed limit. Come on then, Luna, let's do this brake test. Hopefully you won't jump out in front of me as you go sideways with no ABS. Here we go. You absolute legend! You almost had me!
This is almost more fun than the other race.
There may be a few flat spots on those tyres because you're flat spotting them lifted, which is the right thing to do. They did a bit more flat spotting, but look how close this is.
And I think I can do better, you know, this was the first time trying it.
Okay then, Luna, I accept your challenge. Let's do another brake test from 70. I've got a horrible feeling about this. Damn.
I told you I was gonna win this one.
You won the stopping race.
Sad, but not 100% sad. This proves that safety last is the right method. No ABS is actually more efficient than ABS.
Or maybe you're just a better driver. It could be that.
I'm a better stopper apparently, but yes, I'll take that. Thank you very much.
Oh, that was so much fun. Thanks ever so much, Luna, for taking part in this drag race, and to the Peterson Museum for lending us these cars. Now, if you click on the pop-out banner up there for the link in the description below, you can go over to the Peterson Museum's YouTube channel where we filmed some other drag races with them. Right, so go follow that link, yeah? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. Let me know which of these two cars you prefer in the comments below. Click on those windows there for some more videos, and on that box there to go to Carwow to Silly Car the easy way. All you have to do is upload some photos, give a brief description, then dealers all across the country will bid on your car in an online auction. It's easy. Completely free. Thanks for watching.